Angibonge marketing. Ngicela kunivusela nonke endlini. Sponsors sethu MTN nawe CEO Dinzu Donke tetindzaba ema-team lakhona. Ngivusele nefamily yeMbabane Highlanders. Ernest Mavuso, head coach kuMbabane Highlanders. Sibonga kuthola leli thuba leli lekuthi sinikete isiqiniseko kuma supporters e-team ukuthi ngelisondvo sitabe sisemavuso siyodlala neManzini Wanderers. Kungalali kahle kwayo imidlalo leyendlulekiyo kusiniketa inkinga lenkulu ngesizathu lesithi asibati labatawukhona khona kudlala bawine ukuthi batabe banelulaka lolungakanani. Kepha we are trying ukuthi konke lesikwendako sitilungiselele ngendlela lethi noma bangeta ne-support ya number 12 nathi sitabe sinayo. Silungele le game kakhulu. Sibabukele badlala. They have a new coach, new in the team. Njengoba sekashito isoftware inzala ikhona. Nathi siyade ukuthi uthandza kudlalisa ibhola lekanjani. So kulungiselela kwethu kulinganiswe kwaconzaniswa nekukhalipha kwakhe etinhlangothini letitsite tekudlala. Sikucophelele kakhulu lokho Nkosi. Ngiyethembisa ukuthi umdlalo utawuba muhle kakhulu. Sekungaba ke kuthatha leli thuba leli sincuse bonke balandzeli belicembu. Labadzala nalabancane, labadvute nalabasemakhaya ukuthi abasonzele ngelisonto. Injabulo itabe solo ikhona. Baseta abete sebawathengile amathikithi abo bawaphethe ngesandla. Basitane kuwathenga online ngamomo. Basitane nekuwathenga kuma outlets labo Gulp nabo Engine. Sibese siyacela ukuthi njengoba sitawube siwina sicela bangajabuli bese basusa luthuwe. Abajabule nje kube kuhle. Kanjalo nangabe futhi results angasifevi bawemukele ngoba ngumdlalo webhola. Injabulo yayitolo ayisho ukuthi utawujabula kusasa. Kepha ngelisondvo siyabethembisa ukuthi batawuhamba bangilaba labamnanzi emoyeni.
Coach, kuyalekela ngokusho ukuthi ungenteka ungadlali kahle kuManzini Wanderers affect indlela thina but ngifuna kuya kodwa sinalo ukuthi kuya kuMbabane Highlanders maybe any advice longayinika coach ngobashito ukuthi nevana ukufika ethimini lene-pressure kaManzini Wanderers lenabalandzeli kaManzini Wanderers as wena uMbabane Highlanders ukuthi nawuwina the pressure awukhona ukudila kanjani ngayo wesithi
Siyabonga Nkosi. Ngiyajabula ngobe ekulolongweni kwakhe uyendile i-psychology. Ufuna ayevile sekayendile le therapy. Ngingamcela weNkosi angeke kube lula. Mancane kakhulu lamathuba ukuthi bangasidla. So ngicela ukuthi atikhansele weNkosi. Aphinze ayilungiselele nale team. Ingabi frustrated in the process because nale bhola batayifuna. Kunengi lokutakwendeka lokungeke kuhambe kahle. But nje ke ekugcineni kwako konke we are brothers. Siyatana kakhulu and siphathana kahle off the field. Ngicabanga ukuthi nangalelanga leli lalo mdlalo singeke sicatshaniswe ngema results. Ngiyabonga Potolozi. Andile is a wonderful person, let alone being a player. Nalokuthi ke uke wadlala ku PSL kumniketa that cutting edge, even though he's still struggling in a fitness level, but akakho bad. Lengingakusho nje ukuthi as a jolly human being, wenda kube easy kulabadlali to mingle with him and to play with him. My priorities as individuals may not be the same, but when it comes to club level, no team level, especially siyazama kuwadonsa siwabuyise ndzawonye siwa-synchronize. In that regard, unako lokuyi-flair yakhe nje yekudlalela. At that moment isuke le team seyati lokuthi yena unanayi moment naye lesingafuni futhi kumdisturba kiyo because nathi kude la islimata khona ngoba uyaya kwende lokho sisuke sesikahle in terms of the game. So kusengabi challenge kuba naye in the team so far. Thank you, sir.
My question is connected to in the past 3 games, we've been saying actually we've been edging our friends and supporters at club council. I will be delayed.
Yes.
And now we can with confidence.
Yeah.
So, no one about wait, not a secretary. No one knows the past 2 games we have winning. And my friends are how used to winning. So still much when putting time to it again. No one ever going to secretary with confidence you like winning.
Ngiyabonga Shonga. Umsebenzi wokwakha i-team, it's work in progress. Akukapheleli. But la sikhona khona ungasho ukuthi 60% were moving in the right direction. At 60% were good enough to challenge certain teams. Let's see, identify certain areas la gray lessingawa exploit. Yes.